Right, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name's Mark and this is Hitman's Bonsai Journey. Right, today we're going to repot this ficus. Look at it. But I'm not sure what the front is yet. But let's get on with it. Let's get it out the pot and we're going to put it into that pot. Give it a little squeeze. Lift. There we go. It come out lovely. It's not pot bound. I just wanted to put it into a different pot, that's all. Get my hook out. As normal. Just tease it out. It's coming away lovely, look at it. You never know what you're going to get underneath here. Oh. Not that many roots on it. A massive root there. Oh no, I'm going to have to get rid of. Just see it. That's going to make it harder for me repot it. You'll see it in a minute. I'll just see it a minute ago. A bit more out of the way. Some nice long roots there. Let's get rid of that. I might reuse some of that in a minute. Let's get the pot up here. I've prepped it already. I put the wires in it. And as you can see, I've got the gauze there. Will let it fit in there like that anyway. Yeah, it will. So I don't need to cut them. They've got cut the big roots there. There's a massive one down here, I think. But it'll fit in there anyway. So that'll be all good. Get tight in over the top of that. Very good there. Let's put that over there a minute. Let's put some my normal soil mix in here. Some lava rock here. Out with the bottom of the drainage. The Akadama here. Build it up in the middle there. Because what we're going to do is once we've placed it, just get it squished down into it. So there's no air pockets underneath that bit. Like that, I think. So if I take that one over here, that one there, give it a little twist there a minute. I'll tighten them up in a minute. In fact, that one over there. Pull that one up over here. Give that a little twist there. Get my pliers. Fucking hell. There we go. Tighten them into the pot. Without getting it flipping pliers caught. Of course, there we go. Do the same this side. It's nice and sturdy in there. Get me little clips, snips. Snip them off. Same this side. Put them in there like that. That's in there nice and sturdy now. Alright, let's put some more, just like a dharma in here. Let's turn this around. I like the front of that. I think that's going to be the front. Now I've got to find my poking stick. Where did I put it? Yeah. It's in there somewhere. There it is. There it is. There we go. Just give it a little poke in there. Make sure it's all down inside. No air pockets. You can sort of feel it when you're poking it. It sort of goes solid when you know you've got enough there. You can always help it in with your fingers as well. Right, let's get another scoop. I think that'll do lovely. Give it another little poke. Now I'm gonna put some of that in there. Put some of this along the top there just to keep it all in there. That was quicker than I thought it was going to be. There we go. One-potted, repotted ficus. Eventually I will pull some of these branches down. I'll get up here. I'm going to leave it like that for now. That'll be it for today. Right, that's me repotted ficus. You know, like, subscribe, do all the usual stuff. YouTube will put something there, hopefully. And I'll see you next time. All right, bye.